Extreme Coupon, and one of the questions I get most often is, do you shop at stores like Sam's Club? And if so, what do you get from there? So I'm going to show you what I get from stores like Sam's Club, but on a budget. In my household, we have 3 people, me, my son, and my husband. And I have a budget allotted for us of $5 per day for each person to eat. So that's $15 per day, which equates to $105 per week. Every week, I extreme coupon for some of our groceries at the grocery store, and I try not to exceed $20 per week. Now, this week, I actually made $20 at the grocery store, so I have a higher budget, but I'm still going to shop with just $85 so I can use the additional money I made for weeks when we need it. Since I am able to coupon our household items, our breakfast items, our snacks, what I'm looking for when I come to a store like this is the 2 P's, protein and produce. First protein item I'm grabbing is the Premier Protein Shakes. These are actually on an instant savings for $20.74, so that'll make each shake about $1.38. I'm gonna split these with my mom. My girlfriend told me that this limited edition mint flavor is really good, so we're gonna try these. The next protein I wanted to pick up is a rotisserie chicken, but there's a line over there. They're waiting for them to put some more out. So we're gonna grab some of our other items and then we're gonna circle back for our chicken. One thing I always get from Sam's is this croissant toast. These are $3.98. This is like a guilty pleasure for us, but we tear this bread up. This is like bread and croissants had a baby, and this is just the perfect complement to our meals. I'm grabbing 2 bags of salad. So these range from $2 to $4, depending on which one you get. We love the apple bourbon. My girlfriend put me on to these too because it comes with so much in this salad kit, and then I just add more to really fill these salads out. But these are great meal items. The grapes are on an instant savings for $5.96, and then I'm also gonna grab some apple slices for $6.84. So it's a little bit more expensive to grab the pre-sliced apples, but this is more convenient for my son when he's packing his lunches. I need to get a 6-pack of bell peppers. You can get the green ones. I like to get the multicolored. The 6 bell peppers will be $6.88. Then I'm gonna get a huge bag of onions because I just used my last onion. These are $5.42 for the bag. The rotisserie chickens are ready now, so we're gonna grab one of these for $5. I make 2 to 3 meals for us with just 1 chicken, and Sam's Club has the best rotisserie chicken, hands down. And this 3-pack of cucumbers is $3.88. For more protein, I'm grabbing this organic grass-fed beef. We're gonna get 3 pounds that's already divided up. So this is really convenient. It is $14.94. So each package is about $5. Now let's go check out. This is everything that I have. And like I said, this is focused in on the protein and the produce. And we are respecting that $85 budget. So we're gonna scan out everything at the self-checkout. As you can see here, before the instant savings, my total was over $90. But after the instant savings for the protein shakes, my total was just $82 plus tax. So $86.10, including the taxes. Very on point for our budget.